What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today is an update video on the S&P 500. My view has changed with all the uncertainty on the economy. And now I believe cash is king. Let's get into it. All right, here we are in the Thinkorswim platform presented by TD Ameritrade. If you would like to use this charting software, all you have to do is open up a TD Ameritrade account. You don't have to fund it, and you will have access to use this charting platform. You can download it to your phone or your PC. So into the video now. This is a 1-year chart on SPX, which is the S&P 500, probably the best gauge of the market. And as you can see, the past 13 days, we'll zoom in right here, has pretty much been an all-out rally. And it's got me concerned just because of certain things I've heard dealing with the economy. And I do know the federal government is throwing boatload after boatload after boatload of money to try and drive the market back up and save all these businesses. But I'll say it now, there are going to be businesses that aren't going to be here after this is over with. And I believe credit is going to be stretched, to say the least. And it's going to lead to all kinds of other issues with our economy. And that's on top of, we don't even know when this is going to be over with. We're hearing positive news from the current administration, but when are we going to get a firm date on when the economy can restart? Is the economy going to all restart up at the same time? I don't believe so. There's just so much uncertainty. The upcoming earnings are going to be horrible for most companies. I just don't see this right here continuing back to all-time highs. There's no way. There's no way. And I really believe that we are headed back down to either retest that low or go lower. And I've done a lot of research over the past crashes and bear markets and the great financial crisis, the dot-com bubble. I just don't see this rally right here continuing to new highs. Matter of fact, we're gonna go ahead and put out the Fibonacci retracements, because right now we are at 50% retracement, which is a critical time, critical place in the chart where most things turn around, not for the better. So we're gonna go ahead and use that tool just to show it. Let's go here, drawing tools, right here. We're gonna take this high right here of 33.93 and just bring, doesn't want to cooperate. Bring it down to that low right there. And as you can see, right here is a 50% retracement at 2790-ish. And we closed right below that at 2789. Now, you can take that as a sign that it got rejected at the 50% retracement. I really and truly believe we are headed back down. I know this is opposite of what I was thinking before, but as days go by and you see what is exactly going on with our country, now that we're deep in the middle of this crisis, where just a few weeks ago we were looking at other countries. Now I know I'm looking at the numbers for the United States. They want you to think it's getting better. Hopefully it is getting better. but I just think there's going to be an enormous amount of damage done that is not going to be fixed. We're not going to go back up to this 33.93 anytime soon. And I truly believe we are headed down to go test that low or even go lower. And this right here, this 50% retracement is critical. If we can make it up to I would say anywhere from the 50 to the 60, 61% retracement is a range where we could still go and then head back down lower. But if we get past this, it will change my mind. I mean, I guess at that point, that means everything the government has done is right, and we are going to be just smooth sailing. Highly unlikely, but who knows? And that leads me to why the title, the thumbnail of this video had cash, cash, cash with a bunch of cash. Because I believe you should have a good percentage of your portfolio as cash right now. There's too many uncertainties in the world today. The global economy was already slowing down before the pandemic. So I think you should have the majority in cash at this time. Better safe than sorry. You might miss out on some of this, but then again, it could turn around and go down even further than this low right here. I mean, if this is going to be a bear market, these bear market bounces happen. So you have to keep that in mind. Now, I know our president wants the stock market to go back here and higher, but I just don't see it happening. Just my opinion. Do your own research. And that's going to conclude this quick video on the S&P 500, just looking at different levels. So if you like this type of content, you want to know the updates, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button because that is super, super, super important. And if you want to be notified when I post a new video, click that bell or smash that bell or do whatever you want to that bell. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.